Let's have number 3 again. The governor's remarks were deliberately circumspect to avoid controversy. Okay. So we are talking about the governor's remarks. Okay? So ito yung dinidescribe natin na word ha. Yung remarks ni governor. And he is avoiding controversy. So are we looking for a positive or a negative word? So since nagde-describe ulit tayo, adjective ulit to. Adjective. Anong hanap natin guys? Positive or negative? Can I see the sign? Patingin nga ng symbol na hanap natin. Positive or negative? Okay. Patingin ng iba. O agree? Okay, positive. Very good. Kasi, nakalagay dito, he is avoiding controversy. So, since ayaw niya ng kontrobersiya, yan. Ibig sabihin, positive itong kanyang remarks. So, ano kaya yung mga word na negative dito? Tanggalin na natin, eliminate natin para ma-lead tayo sa tamang sagot. Reckless. Oh, that's negative. Pag sinabing reckless, ano meaning na reckless? Careless, no? Careless. So, X. Vague, malabo. Vague, malabo. Unclear, negative din po yun. Okay, again, vague means unclear. Reckless means, ito ay careless. Cautious, positive. So, iwanan natin si cautious. Arrogant, forceful. So, ayan, obviously, ito naman ay negative din. So, minsan pwede siyang strength, kaya lang, in this case, medyo negative words sila, So, overconfident naman. Overconfident. Ito naman, forceful ay masyado namang assertive. Kapag ikaw ay overconfident, ayan, pag arrogant ka and forceful, lalo kang lapitin ng kontrobersiya, di ba? So, XX. So, our answer is correct. Letter C, cautious or careful. Okay? Good job, guys. So, cautious is the same with careful or circumspect. Good job. Ang daming nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Let's have number 4. The proposal was rejected. Rejected for being untenable. Okay, in the current economic climate. So, are we looking for a positive or a negative word? Positive or negative? Okay, ni-reject siya. So, untenable is, okay, correct, negative. So, hanapin natin alin yung mga negative word dito. Okay, we have, tanggalin natin mga positive. Defensible. Okay, pag sinabi mong defensible, justifiable. So, mukhang hindi naman yung negative, no? Defensible means justifiable. So, this is positive. Sorry, ang hanap namin ay negative. Practical. Ang practical ay positive din. So, X. Innovative. Innovation. So, para siyang creative. So, positive din yung creative eh. So, X natin to. Logical and unsustainable. Alin sa dalawa ang negative? Logical. So, ito, pag logical, positive yan. Meaning niya, reasonable. No, reasonable. Okay, so nag-iisa lang ang negative word. It's letter E. Isa pang clue natin, no, ang meaning ng prefix na an, no, ay not. Ayan, so which makes the word negative. Kaya dito, an means not sustainable. Meaning negative talaga siya. So the answer is letter E. Okay, good job guys. Okay. Masaya ba kayo sa score nyo dito?